Hey, go away. Who removed the close button?
You can escape because I made them disappear.
Oh my god, it's Noob.
That's right, for people keep blaming on me. I'm taking over your computer and install my S.
Really? Then I'm going to unplug the computer.
Well, each time when you shut down, restart, or unplug the computer, will still be there. Now I'm forcing you to install my S.
No.
Once you restart your computer, you will be using Noob OS instead of Windows 10. Oh, what you will look up that the installation is complete. Now please restart your computer.
Then I'm not going to click it.
Well, it's too late. I'll do it for you.
No. Please don't do it. I'll bet you.